Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy, Mr. Beast. Ever thought about making $1 million just from making short fun videos? Yeah, me neither. But guess what? It happened. I'm here to tell you how my crazy YouTube Shorts journey unfolded, from zero to millionaire. We're talking insane challenges, jaw-dropping stunts, and a whole lot of laughs along the way. Get ready for the inside scoop, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Let's be real, the internet is a wild place, full of endless possibilities. One minute you're posting videos for fun, the next minute you're raking in millions of views and making serious bank. But here's the thing, it's not all about luck. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of creativity to make it big on YouTube. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. I'm gonna break down my journey, share my secrets, and give you the tools you need to start your own YouTube Shorts empire. So, buckle up, grab your phone, and get ready to learn how to turn your passion into a money-making machine. Listen up, because this is important. I wasn't born with a camera in my hand and 1 million subscribers. Nope, I started just like you, a regular dude with a dream and a whole lot of hustle. Back in the day, my videos were, well, let's just say they weren't winning any Oscars. But you know what? I didn't let that stop me. I kept experimenting, kept learning, and most importantly, kept uploading. Every video, no matter how rough around the edges, was a stepping stone. It was a chance to learn, to grow, and to get closer to my goals. The takeaway here? Don't be afraid to start small. Your first videos might not go viral, and that's okay. The key is to keep creating, keep improving, and never ever give up on your vision. Remember, even the biggest YouTubers started with 0 subscribers. It's all about the journey, my friend. Here's the deal. If you're not passionate about what you're doing, it's gonna show in your videos. People can spot a fake from a mile away. So before you even think about hitting that record button, ask yourself, what gets you fired up? What makes you want to jump out of bed in the morning? For me, it's always been about pushing the limits, doing the unexpected, and making people say, what the? Whether it's filling a bathtub with slime, tipping a pizza delivery guy with $1,000, or giving away a car to a random subscriber, I'm all about creating content that's entertaining, unpredictable, and totally unforgettable. But hey, your passion doesn't have to be as crazy as mine. Maybe you're a whiz in the kitchen, a makeup guru, a gaming legend, or a master storyteller. Whatever it is, own it. Let your personality shine through, and don't be afraid to be yourself. Remember, authenticity is key when it comes to connecting with your audience and building a loyal following. Let's face it, we live in a world of short attention spans and endless scrolling. You've got just a few seconds to grab someone's attention and convince them that your video is worth watching. That's where the magic of catchy titles and eye-catching thumbnails comes in. Think of your title as a headline. It needs to be short, snappy, and impossible to resist. Use strong verbs, numbers, and a touch of intrigue to pique your viewers' curiosity. And don't underestimate the power of a killer thumbnail. It's the first thing people see, so make it count. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and an image that accurately reflects the awesomeness of your video. Remember, your goal is to stand out from the crowd and make people stop their endless scrolling. So get creative, experiment with different ideas, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Section 5. Cracking the YouTube code. Get seen by everyone. Alright, you've got your awesome content ready to go, but how do you make sure it gets seen by millions of eager viewers? The answer lies in understanding the mysterious world of YouTube's algorithm. Think of the algorithm as a giant matchmaking service, constantly trying to connect viewers with videos they'll love. And just like any good matchmaker, it looks for certain clues to make the perfect match. One of the biggest factors is watch time, how long people are sticking around to watch your videos. The longer they watch, the more the algorithm thinks, hey, this video is fire. Let's show it to more people. But it's not just about watch time. The algorithm also looks at things like engagement, likes, comments, shares, keywords, and video tags. My advice? Don't get bogged down in the technical stuff. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that people actually want to watch. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions, and encourage viewers to interact with your videos. Section 6. Building your tribe. Social media is your friend. Listen up, because this is a game changer. Social media is your secret weapon to building a massive, engaged audience for your YouTube Shorts. Think of it as your own personal hype squad, spreading the word about your awesome content to every corner of the internet. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook are like free advertising for your channel. Use them to connect with potential viewers, share sneak peeks of your upcoming videos, and build a community around your brand. Don't be afraid to get creative with your social media strategy. Run contests, host live Q&A sessions, collaborate with other creators, and give your followers a reason to hit that follow button. Remember, social media is all about building relationships. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and show them that you're more than just a faceless content creator. The more you connect with your audience, the more invested they'll be in your success. Section 7. The Money Game. How to cash in on your content. Let's talk about making it rain with YouTube Shorts. Once your videos rack up views, explore monetization. AdSense is a common way to earn money. You get a cut of the ad revenue. But AdSense is just the tip of the iceberg. Explore brand collaborations and sponsored content. And sell your own merchandise. Diversify your income streams for stability. With the right strategy, turn your passion into a career. Section 8. My secret sauce. Tips and tricks I learned along the way. Now that you know the basics, it's time to share some of the secret sauce that helped me become the YouTube sensation I am today. First things first, embrace the power of collaboration. Team up with other creators, share audiences, and learn from each other's experiences. Second, never underestimate the importance of consistency. The YouTube algorithm loves regular uploads, so make it a habit to release new content consistently. Third, always be willing to experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things and push boundaries. Stay true to yourself, stay passionate, and never give up on your dreams. Section 9. The Power of Persistence. Never give up on your dreams. Let's be real for a second. The road to YouTube stardom isn't always paved with subscribers and sponsorship deals. There will be times when you feel like giving up, when the views seem miles away, and when the haters come out in full force. But here's the thing. Every successful YouTuber has been there. They've faced rejection, dealt with negativity, and questioned whether it was all worth it. But what separates the winners from the wannabes is their unwavering persistence. It's about getting back up after every stumble, learning from your mistakes, and using those lessons to fuel your fire. It's about believing in yourself even when no one else does, and using that belief to power through the tough times. Remember, success is rarely linear. It's a journey filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. But as long as you stay focused on your goals, stay true to your vision, and never lose sight of your passion, you'll eventually reach your destination. Section 10. Ready, set, action. Start your YouTube journey today. So there you have it, my roadmap to YouTube Shorts success, complete with insider tips, hard-won lessons, and a whole lot of Mr. Beast-style motivation. Now it's your turn to take the reins, step into the spotlight, and show the world what you're made of. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because there's no such thing. Start small, start today, and start creating the kind of content that sets your soul on fire. The world is waiting to see what you've got, so go out there and make it happen. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. So dream big, work hard, and never ever give up on your YouTube dreams. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own $1 million success story with the world.